Chinese checkers, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to move all of your 10 pegs across the board and into the opposite triangle. The first player to occupy all 10 destination holes is the winner. Setup. Each player picks a color and puts the matching colored pegs in the corresponding triangle. In a 2-player game, players must pick opposite triangles. In a 3-player game, players' starting positions are every other triangle. In a 4-player game, players pick 2 opposing pairs of triangles. In a 6-player game, players use all the triangles. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you must move a single peg of your own color to an adjacent space, or hop an adjacent peg to an empty space directly on the other side. You are allowed to string together multiple hops in one turn. You may hop any peg, including your own, so long as the hop is in a straight line. You may change directions after each hop. You may not hop to the side of a peg, and you may not hop 2 pegs in one jump. Pegs are never removed from the board and can move in any direction. However, once a peg has reached the opposing triangle, it may not be moved out of the triangle, only within the triangle. You may only land a peg in your own triangle and the triangle opposite you. You may hop through another triangle so long as you don't end your turn in that triangle. The first player to get all his pegs to the opposite triangle wins. If one or more of the holes in the destination triangle contain a peg belonging to another player, this does not prevent a player from winning. The game is simply won when all the available spots within the triangle are occupied with his pegs.